Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Policy707 coming at you with another video. So in this episode, guys, we're going to be doing a special unboxing. This actually came from my friend from the East Coast in Florida, my buddy Vincent, aka JustAGeekFromThe305. You probably know him on IG by that name, or also by his YouTube channel by that same name. So my buddy Vince, a really super cool guy, probably one of my favorite guys in the Funko community. He's always down to help out another fellow pop collector. I mean, he really went on a limb to do a favor for me. So he sent me this package. It's kind of oversized, as you see. It's like he used a Target box, an oversized box, because he didn't want the pops that I'm about to show you to get damaged. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you. I'm really excited to share this with you all. It actually arrived yesterday, 2-day priority. But I actually wanted to give it a proper unboxing for you guys and share it. And I know my sister's going to be super excited to get this because her and I have both been eagerly anticipating this pop. So as you can see, it's beautifully wrapped. Vince took the extra time and care to, properly package and secure them so that they would arrive to you safely. So here's the first one, and we also have a second one. So you guys probably see it through the bubble wrap, but in case you are unable to figure out what it is, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my time with this. So thank you, Vince. I appreciate it, buddy. I mean, you went above and beyond. I really owe you one, pal. But yeah, definitely check out my boy Vince, aka JustAGeekFromThe305. Now, Vince actually came on my radar first when he was featured on Wasatch Pop's YouTube channel, and when I, started watching some of his videos, I mean, I instantly fell in love with his channel because he always has great content, and he also has great content on his Instagram page as well. So as you guys see, we have here the Alice Mad Tea Party, a beautiful pop. This is like more of like it's considered like a pop ride there. It's more of like a 6-inch. Wow, it's like immaculate condition. Here's the side, beautiful art, box art. Here's the back and the side again. Wow. So this is like, I don't have many Disney exclusives, but I'm definitely happy and excited to add this to the collection. So we have here a pair of Alice at the Mad Tea Party. So here you have it. Now one's going to my sister. So thank you once again, Vince. I really do appreciate all that you've done for not only myself, but those in the Funko community. So, well, anyway, just going to conclude our video for today. This is your boy, Policy707, signing off, and we'll see y'all again in the next video. Take care.